Minisita alabudde abakyala okwewala okubaako ensimbi ze bawaayo nga bagenza okwewola ensimbi ez'okwekulaakulanya eza GROW okusinza ku minisita ow'ekikula ky'abantu emirimu n'okwekulaakulanya Betty Amongi. Ensimbi ez'obukwakkulizo ng'eza yinsuwa n'endala zonna baazibaliira wamu era ng'akadde kano baakwongera ku bungi bwa bank ensimbi zino mwe zisobola okufunibwa.
We also capped the interest rate that each bank cannot exceed an interest rate of 10.5% to the eligible borrowers, and other fees are not permissible when women are borrowing from these banks, except only some statutory costs which are associated maybe with the valuation and maybe verification of your CRB, but issues to do with insurance, issues to do with the loan processing fee and so on is all covered by the project.
Minister okuvayo bw'ati asinzidde ku ssengejjeddo ly'amawulire ga gavumenti mu Kampala era nga wano walagidde nga bwe bagenda n'okukozesa ebibiina by'obwegassi nga kino kyakuyambako abakyala abatya okugenda mu banka ezitali zimu okufuna ensimbi.
We are going to onboard microfinance institutions and saving and credit cooperatives to reach some of the women that might fear to go to the bank. So we said for the women who will be comfortable with the cooperative reaching them more nearer and the microfinance, there may be clients of those microfinance and cooperative. By December, we would have added and we will be able to release for you the names of the cooperatives and the microfinance that will be also lending side by side with the commercial banks.
Ono akubiriza abakyala okuzzaayo ensimbi zino eziba zibawoleddwa wabula n'abajjukiza okuba n'omusingo buli omu oba ekibiina eky'obwegassi.
Their loans are scheduled, but if a woman performs very well and you pay a half of your money, the loan, without defaulting, we are giving, they will receive a grant reduction in their loan of the value of 5%. So I'm appealing to the women out there that please pay diligently so that you will receive the 5% bonus, whereby we reduce your loan amount and give you a grant. Actually, the project pay 5% of the loan.
Amonga lazenga abantu bwe beeyunidde ensimbi zino era nga abaagala obukadde wakati w'obuna n'abiri bebasinze okugyeyunira.
1,193 have borrowed the range of 20 to 40 million. So 11% of women have borrowed 20 to 40 million, which translates into 3.97 billion, while 66, which is 5.5%, have borrowed under the category of 40 to 200 million with a value of 5.987 billion. So you can see from this review, most of the women, the categories we targeted are the one with 83%, because we want women to formalize their business and grow their business.
Abazitwala mu by'obulimi be basinze okuziganyulwamu akadde kano.
We have also analyzed that majority of the priority areas women are borrowing is agriculture. The value chain of agriculture, most of the women are borrowing to add value on the agricultural product. The second area is real estate and then trade. Those are the three key areas.
Ensimbi zino ziwolebwa omukyala oyo alina kye yeekoledde nga bamusindika busindisi so oyo atandika obutandisi mu mbeera y'emu kyekimu era ku bika by'ensimbi gavumenti byerese okujja abantu mbwavu b'ogatta eza parish development model emyoga n'endala. Yisa Kigongo ku lwa Channel 44 olweggulo.